So actually, before signing up with Grandison, I'm actually working in a competitor. And then I find Ma'am Mika. It caters all my needs back then that they are processing, even you don't have a bedside experience. They will shoulder yung IELTS review and IELTS exam expenses. Basically, yun yung kailangan ko around that time. So that made me sign up with Grandison. So literally on my first month, including my first day, ano lang ako, CCTV camera lang ako. Observe lang ako. It runs for 1 month. The facility I'm in is very supportive yung mga workmates ko. Eventually, like after 1 month, nagamay ko na yung work. I started picking up yung evening shift. And it always have like bonus kasi. There's one car na very maayos siya tapos it's just $6,000. Second hand lang siya. And I need to down $2,000. And it was Grandison who provided that $2,000. I would say 4. I was surprised. I was enjoying it. I somehow enjoy it.
Yes.